Okay, we've got a Corsa, Vauxhall Corsa E or D. The thermostat housing leak just over here. Oh, the leak is just over here. You can see the signs down the bottom. This is a thermostat housing. Got 1, 2, and a third bolt which we need to take off. But before that, we need to take off all the sensors and obviously this retaining clip with this hose that comes from the radiator. So once we've done that, we'll be able to take the thermostat off. Got a new one here, which is a Gates one. There's a Gates one here. Part number is this for a Vauxhall Corsa E TH507103G1. Okay, we'll just take this off and then carry on. Okay, we've got the old part out. This is the old one. As you can see, the seal is really badly deteriorated around here. And the new one, you can see the seal around the edge like that. There's a lip on it. Alright, if you put that one back in, and that one's got no edge. Yeah. No, you don't need that bit. Okay, thermostat housing's been replaced. Checking for leaks. Doesn't seem like there's any leaks at the moment. We're looking at this part here, just around the edges around here at the bottom. All the sensors, everything's been connected, the pipe's been connected there. We left the radiator tank open to allow air to come back through to fill up the system as it should be. We're just going to check for leaks and let you know. That's it. You just let the bubbles out. There we go. That's the air coming out. Yeah, that's the bleeding valve anyway.